Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Starlet and I create ascension tools. I have been working in the energy field for a very long time and they have been downloading me. I've been being downloaded with different opportunities to create tools for myself. And I find that it's come time where I feel I'm getting to offer it to other people as well. And if you're inclined, for this opportunity, um, just feel free to email or go to my website, www.theschooloflight.org, to purchase and to take a look at the many tools I have. And I have a toolbox with all of them in one so that you can um, kind of go through them and help yourself in different situations and whatever you're going through or doing, or if you're a healer or an intuitive, or you're going to school, or if you're 5 years old. These tools are all great for a lot of different situations, and I'm so honored to be able to present them to the world. So today the first one I'm going to introduce is the Truth Pendulum. It came to me, it was downloaded first with that opportunity of offering me a clearing for my internal labyrinth, and so this tool works for you. It's nothing you have to do. You will be guided, and you will get channeled information that will come specific for you with your truth pendulum, and it works totally different than the truth pendulums we've been um, kind of a no to be, where they say yes or no, and those work great for all other things. But my tools are all about ascension and about getting you into a vibration of love, and the more and more you vibrate of purity and more love you can carry, the more cells respond to you and the more opportunities you have for your soul and for your ascension, for your gifts, uh, for your intentions, for many, many, many different things, because vibration is key for all of what we do. So, the Truth Pendulum is available online. It looks kind of something like this. This one, I'm just showing you. I wrapped it up in a little net because I felt it was a good opportunity for a youth, so that everything stays intact as I have it wired. And for adults, you can just take this off, or I can send it without it. I usually don't, but it looks similar to this. Um, and the quartz or the crystal I use may be different. They're not all the same, but they are equally effective. So I look forward to meeting you and giving you this opportunity to assist yourself on your ascension path and your journey, and may it be delightful and joyful. Thank you for your time, and yeah, we'll talk soon.